Hi, this is Dave Thompson. This is a quick tips and tricks for Excitech FM on how to set department colors or change department colors. So there's actually two methods of getting to the page where we edit this. I'm going to show you the first way. So we're going to turn on the locations layer. I'm going to choose pretty much any location really and edit that so that we get the department code form. Obviously your screen may be slightly different from here, but we're looking for the department code where we would normally select a department. Now we don't need to actually change this here, but what it does allow us to do is search for the department in a normal way. I'm just going to search for anything here. And then what we need to do is down here, if you have rights to do so, so if you don't see this option, it means you haven't got rights to actually change colors anyway or modify departments. So you need to click this link here and then do a search again, and you notice it looks exactly the same, but you get underlined entries here. So we're going to choose this contract one here. So we don't actually need to choose it, we just need to click on it. And here we see the code screen for the contract department. Okay, up here you see a color swatch. Now I'm running the very latest software, so this may be slightly different from yours. So basically on mine, what I can do is select from this new color grid. So I can choose the color, select that, that's changed it, and then save. Okay. Now if you're running on the older version of software, then your color selection will look slightly different. I'm just going to show you that. Okay, so this is the slightly different, the older style color selection. So what you'll have here is two color swatches. The second one will normally be blank, and just leave it as blank unless you want two colors. So just click on the first half of this area here, maybe all blank, but just click on there. You'll get this much smaller swatch here, a little bit fiddly, which is why we changed it, and change over there. And you notice the number changes. You can also just type a number in there between 0 and 255 if you want to just do it that way. And again, just hit save once you've made that change. Okay. Now, if you are changing other levels, such as perhaps the division level or any other levels that you've got defined on your system, you need to be slightly more careful about doing that. So you can go into the same way here, but what you then do is go into the define level page, and here you can choose the color for this particular one. So you change it exactly the same way. So let's change it to like yellow. Okay. Now the difference here is you need to save it here, but on the page that you got to that division level detail from, you should not hit save. So don't hit save, because otherwise it may potentially overwrite the color that you've just set. Okay, and that's all that's required to setting department colors.